This tutorial will show you how to light a talking head in the style of a certain popular tech giant. We also added some mock product shots using the same gear from the interview. For the interview sequence, we recreated the iconic look made popular by companies like Apple. These scenes are very well lit and have a minimalistic quality to them. The video was filmed in front of a solid bright background. To achieve this, we simply placed 2 spotlights behind the subject and pointed them at a white curtain. Since you're going to blow out the highlights in post anyway, you could also use any white wall. The actor himself is illuminated by 2 soft lights placed directly in front of him. The bigger softbox is pointed down from slightly above head level, while the second smaller softbox is filling out the shadows under the chin from below. This placement eliminates most, but not all shadows on the subject. A lovely side effect of this setup is a distinct reflection of both lights in the eyes of the actor. To further separate the actor from the background, we added a backlight to his left shoulder and the side of his head. This also added some depth to the otherwise very flatly lit scene. To summarize, we illuminated the subject with 2 softboxes placed directly in front, lit the background with 2 spotlights and used the third one as a backlight. The product shots were created on different surfaces but using similar lighting setups. For the first shot we placed the object on a piece of grey cardboard. We illuminated the whole scene using the large softbox and then penned a thin beam of light over the object. This second light highlights the surface structure of the object, while the softbox adds some motion to the whole scene. The edge of the object is separated from the background using another spotlight. For our second product shot, we placed the object on a reflective surface, which is just a fancy way of saying that we put a glass pane on a dark piece of cardboard. Both the background and the object itself are reflected in the surface. Again, we dimmed the background light and aimed a small spotlight at the object. After adding some contrast and color in post-production, we have a very clean looking image. This setup doesn't require a lot of powerful light sources and creates a very professional aesthetic without an expensive studio setup.